Welcome. If you want to find and manage sound settings in your VIVO Y72 5G, at first you have to open the settings. Next you have to go for the sound. And at the first we can adjust the volume level of media, ringtone, notification and alarm by moving this dot on the left or the right. Right here we can use the volume button to adjust media or ringtone, so we can decide. Here we can enable or disable audio booster by tapping on the switcher. We can also use vibration for calls, currently set up to never vibrate, but we can activate to always. Next we can find notification vibration. In this place we got the do not disturb mode, so when we enter right here we can set it up, customize and then activate. Below we got also the media, so we can hide player when the media session has ended by tapping on the switcher. Next we can find the prevent ringing, so currently it's turned on, but I'm going to get rid of that option. In this place you can change phone, notification and the alarm ringtones. I'm going to make it for the notification. And here in the other sounds and vibrations we can find dial pad tones, charging sounds and touch sounds, and we can enable and disable all of these options by simply tapping on these switchers, as you can see. And here we can also find the vibrates when the other party answers or hang up. And the last option is customize sound effects. So here we can go for the under 30, between the 30 and 60, and above 60. Of course we can customize these options, but of course we have to connect our headphones to make it happen. And basically that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.